In this example, we are asked to solve for x. So I'm going to start by looking at that side of the equation. And I do notice that I have this distribution set up right here, but I also have an extra term on the outside, so I can't forget about that. That's going to mean I have some terms to combine later. So this distribution over here has to come first because distribution is multiplication. So we're going to distribute that 6 to everything inside the parentheses. And that will leave me with 18x and a negative 42. I can then bring down the 2x from the front and the equals negative 82. After we have distributed, we can then combine our like terms. So I have here a term with an x, a term with an x, and a term with no x. These terms out here with the x's are like terms because they both have an x. This negative 42 does not have an x, so I cannot combine it with either of these two terms. So 2x and 18x is going to make 20x, and then I can bring down the negative 42 and the equals negative 82. Now that we're done with the distribution and the combining of like terms, we can start to solve this, which is going to mean we need to inverse the constant on the side with the variable. The constant here is a negative 42. Because it's negative, we can inverse it with a positive. That will cancel out those constants and leave us with 20x, and it's going to equal negative 40. Last but not least, we can inverse that coefficient, which is multiplying on the variable. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we'll use a division bar on both sides and divide by that coefficient of 20. That will cancel out the coefficient and leave us with x equals negative 2.